Major problems for motorcycle accident lawyers. Motorcycle accidents can lead to devastating consequences, with victims suffering severe injuries and families losing loved ones. In such dire situations, motorcycle accident lawyers play a vital role in seeking justice and fair compensation for those affected. However, these legal professionals encounter numerous challenges unique to their field of practice. Understanding motorcycle accident laws. The legal landscape surrounding motorcycle accidents can be intricate and multifaceted. Motorcycle accident lawyers must possess an in-depth understanding of the specific laws and regulations governing such incidents, which can vary significantly from state to state. The nuances in these laws impact various aspects of the case, such as liability determination, insurance coverage, and compensation eligibility. Moreover, the dynamic nature of motorcycle accident laws means that legal precedents and interpretations often evolve over time. Lawyers must continuously research and analyze court rulings and legislative changes to build compelling arguments in favor of their clients. Lack of awareness among motorcyclists. One of the persistent challenges faced by motorcycle accident lawyers is the lack of awareness among motorcyclists about their rights and the importance of seeking legal counsel after an accident. Due to misconceptions or limited knowledge about the legal processes involved, many motorcyclists may delay or forego legal representation, unknowingly jeopardizing their chances of receiving fair compensation. Bias and prejudice against motorcyclists. Despite efforts to create awareness, motorcyclists still face bias and prejudice in both the legal system and society at large. This inherent bias can manifest in various ways, such as jurors viewing motorcyclists as reckless or irresponsible, insurance adjusters undervaluing claims based on stereotypes, or law enforcement officers assuming motorcyclists are at fault in accidents. Challenges in gathering evidence. Gathering substantial evidence is essential in building a strong case for motorcycle accident claims. However, this task can be significantly more challenging than in typical car accidents due to the unique nature of motorcycle crashes. Motorcycles' smaller size and maneuverability often result in accidents occurring in tight spaces, making it difficult to reconstruct the scene accurately. Difficulty establishing fault. Determining liability in motorcycle accidents can be a complex process, often involving multiple contributing factors. Unlike standard car accidents, where liability may be straightforward, motorcycle crashes can involve external elements like road conditions, weather, and the actions of other drivers. Additionally, some accidents occur due to a combination of the motorcyclist's actions and another party's negligence. Dealing with insurance companies. Interacting with insurance companies is an inherent part of any personal injury claim, including motorcycle accidents. However, insurance companies are businesses seeking to maximize their profits, which can result in aggressive tactics to minimize settlements or deny claims altogether. Motorcycle accident lawyers must navigate the complexities of insurance policies, coverage limits, and negotiation tactics to ensure their clients' rights are protected. High medical costs and damages. Motorcycle accidents often result in severe injuries, ranging from fractures and road rash to traumatic brain injuries and spinal cord damage. The cost of medical treatment for these injuries can be exorbitant, causing financial strain for victims and their families. Motorcycle accident lawyers play a pivotal role in ensuring that their clients receive adequate compensation to cover medical expenses and damages. Time constraints and statute of limitations. Motorcycle accident lawyers operate within strict time constraints dictated by the statute of limitations. Failing to file a claim within the designated time frame can bar victims from seeking compensation for their injuries and losses. The urgency of these time constraints places considerable pressure on lawyers to act swiftly and efficiently. Legal complexities in multi-vehicle accidents. In such scenarios, determining fault becomes even more complex, as multiple drivers and vehicles may be involved. Each party's insurance coverage and liability share must be accurately assessed to determine the most appropriate course of action. Motorcycle accident lawyers leverage their expertise in personal injury law and their experience handling multi-vehicle accidents to navigate these complexities effectively. Additionally, lawyers collaborate with accident reconstruction experts and forensic analysts to present a clear and accurate depiction of the accident's circumstances. This comprehensive approach allows them to develop a strong legal strategy that seeks the maximum compensation possible for their clients, even in cases with multiple at-fault parties. Handling hit-and-run cases. Hit-and-run accidents pose significant challenges for motorcycle accident lawyers, primarily due to the difficulty in identifying the at-fault party. In hit-and-run incidents, the responsible driver flees the scene, leaving the victim without any information to pursue a claim. To overcome this obstacle, motorcycle accident lawyers conduct extensive investigations and work closely with law enforcement agencies. The burden of proving negligence. Proving negligence is a cornerstone of motorcycle accident cases. Motorcycle accident lawyers must demonstrate that the defendant owed a duty of care to the victim, breached that duty, and caused the accident and resulting injuries. To meet this burden of proof, lawyers delve into the specifics of the accident, examining factors such as speeding, failure to yield, distracted driving, and other negligent behaviors. Furthermore, motorcycle accident lawyers diligently gather evidence, including medical records, police reports, and witness testimonies, to support their client's claim of negligence. Conclusion. Motorcycle accident lawyers face a multitude of challenges as they navigate the complex landscape of personal injury law. From establishing fault in multi-vehicle accidents to countering bias and prejudice against motorcyclists, these legal professionals play a crucial role in advocating for the rights of their clients. Despite the obstacles they encounter, motorcycle accident lawyers remain steadfast in their commitment to seeking justice and fair compensation for victims and their families. By employing their expertise, tenacity, and compassionate approach, they strive to make a positive impact in the lives of those affected by motorcycle accidents.